In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload art on Redbubble. Whether you're a seasoned artist looking to expand your audience or someone who's just starting out, Redbubble is a fantastic platform for showcasing your creations to the world. So, let's dive straight into the process, and by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to share your art with the Redbubble community. First things first, we need to navigate to the Redbubble website. Simply type in Redbubble's URL into your browser and you'll land on their homepage, which is filled with amazing products designed by independent artists. This is the world you're about to join, so take a moment to explore if you'd like. Now, to get started, you'll need to have an account. Look for the login button usually found at the top of the page and click on it. This will take you to the login page where you're prompted to enter your details. Here, you'll need to type in your email address. Ensure it's the one you used to register on Redbubble or the one you plan to register with if you're a new user. After you've filled in your email, it's time to enter your password. Make sure it's correct, as we all know how tricky it can be to remember all our passwords. The next step is to click on the login button. If you've entered everything correctly, you'll be logged into your account and ready to take the next step in getting your art out there. Once you're logged in, it's time to start the uploading process. Start by clicking on your profile at the top right of the page. This area is your personal hub on Redbubble, where you can manage your portfolio and settings. In your profile menu, you'll see an option that says Sell Your Art. This is exactly where you want to be. Click on it and you'll be taken to a new page dedicated to artists and designers who are looking to sell their work. Here you'll find the button Add New Work. As you might guess, this is where the magic happens. Click on it to begin the process of adding your artwork to your Redbubble portfolio. Now you'll see an option to upload new work. This is your cue to select the artwork file you'd like to upload from your computer. Make sure your file is in an appropriate format and meets Redbubble's quality standards for the best results. After your artwork is uploaded, you'll be asked to give it a title. Choose something descriptive and catchy that will grab potential buyers' attention. Remember, the title is the first thing people will see, so make it count. Next up, tags. Tags are crucial for making sure your work is easily discoverable. Think of all the keywords related to your art that potential buyers might search for and add them here. Be specific, but also broad to cover as much ground as possible. After tagging, you'll need to write a description for your piece. This is your chance to tell the story of your artwork, what inspired it, the techniques you used, and any other interesting details. A well-crafted description not only informs but also entices viewers to make a purchase. You'll also encounter a question regarding mature content. If your artwork doesn't contain any mature content, just click No. It's important to be honest here to ensure your art reaches the appropriate audience. Almost done. Before you can save your work, you need to agree to Redbubble's terms and conditions. Make sure to read through them carefully, then click on the box to confirm your agreement. Finally, the last step is to click on Save a Work. Congratulations, you've successfully uploaded your art to Redbubble. Now it's time for the world to see your creations. Remember, the key to success on platforms like Redbubble is not just in uploading your work, but also in actively participating in the community, engaging with other artists, and continuously promoting your portfolio. I hope this guide has been helpful. Uploading your art might seem daunting at first, but as you've seen, it's quite a straightforward process when you break it down. So go ahead, give it a try, and who knows, your art could be the next big hit on Redbubble. Happy creating.